Okay, let's get into this 52-inch bust down, half up, half down with a little spiky half bun. This is made with braiding hair. Yes, girl, braiding hair. And this is protective. I did not use any heat on my own hair. So let's get into it. So I start by sectioning off the front of my hair, ear to ear, clip that off. And then I'm gonna put the rest into a ponytail. Okay, then I'm gonna grab some wig comb clips and I'm gonna attach those to the side of the ponytail. These are gonna serve as anchors for that braiding hair. All right, so I put 2 clips on each side. Now let's get the braiding hair. This is Slay braiding hair. I am obsessed with it. It is the most beautiful, silky braiding hair you will ever use in your life. This is the color Cocoa, and I'm using 3 packs. So get those 3 packs, put them together as one bundle, and then I'm gonna grab an elastic, wrap it around the packs, and pull one end through the other, pull it tight so that you have the hair on the elastic. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna attach this to my ponytail. All right, then I'm gonna grab a handful from either side, not the full amount. And I'm gonna take those, crisscross them in the front, and lay them over top. Okay, I'm doing this so that the hair has that like half up shape so that it's not too narrow in the back. All right, and then I'm going to take a regular bobby pin and I'm going to attach the hair to the anchors so that it stays in place. Okay, now I'm gonna take that front section of my hair and I'm gonna join it with the ponytail, just with my own ponytail, not with any of the braiding hair. Put that into a ponytail. And now we're ready to do the little top bun. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the braiding hair so that I have that length and the texture match. Twist together, and I'm just gonna twist all the way around. And then when I get to the top, I'm gonna leave a little bit out for that little spikiness and pin that with a bobby pin. I had to trim the spiky part just a little bit with some scissors. And then I sprayed this with some pink oil sheen spray, brushed it through just to give it a little extra silkiness. And there she is, half up, half down with braiding hair, totally protective. If you tie this down with a scarf at night, it will last you a while. Like, I'm loving the way this came out. Made me do a little dance.